How to get deleted photos on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can get deleted photos on your iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there is still a way to restore your photos once you've deleted them. For that you can just open the Photos application here. And when I basically come to my library page, let's say I just happen to delete one of the photos by just tapping this trash icon, selecting the option called delete photo. Now what do I do if I want to actually go ahead and restore those photos? Well, to restore those photos, first of all, just come to the albums tab here, and you just want to scroll down. In this case, go to this option called recently deleted under the utilities section, and this is where you'll find all of your deleted photos. Tap on it, go ahead and then verify with your Face ID, and you'll be able to find the photo or video that we just deleted here. And now if you want, you can go ahead and recover this photo or the video that you would like. So this way you can go ahead and then get the deleted photos in iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.